Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a cooking video. I'm gonna make salmon with vegetables, which is a recipe that I went to Panda Express and I just love their steamed vegetables, so I figured out a way to make it. So I'm gonna make that with honey garlic salmon, and I might make some crab legs. I'm not too sure yet, but I really want it, so most likely I'm gonna make it. So if you guys like my cooking video, please comment below, and if you'd like to see more of it in different recipes, just let me know, and I'll go ahead and make it. Okay, so what you do is you put the butter, the half a stick of butter, in the microwave and you melt it. Then you put your ingredients. You put your soy sauce, the honey, the mustard, the chopped garlic, a little bit of sugar. You don't put a lot. A little bit of brown sugar. You're gonna mix it in there. The olive oil, and then you mix it up, and then you put it in the meat. So I'm gonna show you that in a second. It should look like once it's mixed up. So you melt the butter, you put in your olive oil, the chopped garlic, the soy sauce, honey, and mustard. The next thing I'm going to do is cut up the lemon, and the lemon is going to be at the bottom of the baking pan, so I'm going to put it at the bottom of that. But first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the salmon and let it marinate in the fridge for about an hour and before I put it to bake. So once you sew the sauce onto the salmon, I cut it up in pieces. I cut my salmon up in pieces. You don't have to. You can do it whole if you like. But once you pour the sauce on it, I'm just going to put aluminum foil over it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge. Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to saute vegetables. But before that, what we're going to do is we're going to steam it in hot water for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to saute it. So what we have in here, we have cabbage, we have kale, and we have some broccoli. So what we're going to do is place the salmon on top of the lime like that. Kind of made a lot more salmon than anticipated, but that's okay. We're just gonna fit them all in here anyway. And once you do that, you're then gonna take the remaining sauce, and then you're just gonna pour it on there like this. And then you're going to put it in the oven. And then once you take the vegetables out the water, run cold water on it, and that will stop the cooking process. And now we're going to saute the vegetables. You put olive oil, and then this is garlic. So you're just gonna just put this down a little bit. And then you're going to add your vegetables. Should have used a bigger pot, but whatever. And then you're going to add your seasoning. You're going to add a little bit of this in here. I use black pepper, but you can put whatever you want, whatever kind of seasoning you use on your vegetables, you can add it. A little garlic powder. And then you saute it down for 5 minutes. And then just let it saute. Okay. I got some crab legs because I've been wanting it for a few days now. So I just decided to go to Publix and buy some and make it. It's my first time making it, guys, so don't judge me. It has obey. It has like some black pepper in there. I'm gonna melt some butter and hopefully it tastes good. I don't know. And then this is the salmon. The salmon is looking great. It's just gonna be in there for another 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn up the oven a little bit higher so the top can be a little bit crisp.